Can you get a facial if you have a beard? If you are going to start taking skincare seriously, you're going to want to start getting facials. But considering that beards take up such a large percentage of your face, you might have never considered getting a facial before. Can you even get one if you already have a big, bushy beard? What about a short beard? Or any beard, really? Not only can you get a facial with a beard, but you should. A professional facial will exfoliate your skin and steam will help to open up the pores. While beard balms and oils also exfoliate your skin, the quality of a professional facial can't be beaten. While applications of beard oil are useful, a full facial will take about an hour. This extra attention will leave your skin feeling and looking great. Keep reading to find out everything you need to know about getting a facial with a beard. If you've never had a facial before, you'll learn the benefits of it and what the process is like, what you should know about shaving before a facial, and more. Getting a facial with a beard. Not only can you get a facial with a beard, but you actually should if you care about your skin. If you've never worried about your skin, then don't worry. We'll talk more about how to start below. On the other hand, if you've been doing a skincare routine and you haven't gotten a facial yet, what gives? Getting a professional facial is a lot like going to the hairdresser. You're going to sit back in a chair like at a dentist's office, only it'll be comfortable because these places know what's up. A cream will be lathered onto your face and left to sit for a little while, at which point it'll be cleaned off. It's a simple process, and you can even do it at home once you've gotten one or two done professionally. The facial cream doesn't just make the outside of your skin look and feel nice. This can be done simply by using a beard oil with moisturizing oils. A facial actually cleans out the pores on the face, exfoliates, and removes dead skin cells, and it will pull out anything stuck in your dermal layer that could be causing irritation. Doing this leaves your skin glowing and feeling great. It'll take a few treatments to get the best effects, but go out and get your first facial and you'll see for yourself just how much better your skin looks afterwards. Of course, you've got that beard on your face that you've been wondering about. Just exactly how does a facial work when you have a beard? Wouldn't it just get everywhere and leave you looking filthy? Nope. It's actually very easy to get a facial with a beard. Simply go in and get a facial and you'll see. The facial solution will be applied to your face and over your beard as well. Where it can get through the beard down to the skin underneath, it is going to work wonders. Many of the irritants that cause beard or mustache pain can be cured with a nice facial. That isn't the only benefit it gives us bearded folk. As the facial solution works through your beard to get to the skin beneath, it inevitably has to cover the hairs themselves. This could be bad news if there was something dangerous in the solution, but facial cream actually has plenty of ingredients that will soften your beard hair and leave it looking great and healthy. So, you might have thought that getting a facial with a beard was a bad idea, but it turns out that it can be beneficial both to the health of your skin and the health of your beard. For the best effect, skip using balm, butter, oil, or wax on your beard the morning that your facial is scheduled. Wash your beard with warm water and use the smallest dab of moisturizer if you really need it. Overall, it's better to leave your skin as a blank canvas, free from any recent treatments. You can go back to oiling or styling it after your facial. How frequently should you get a facial? Getting a facial will leave your skin feeling great for a while, but it only takes a couple of weeks before you start to outlive the benefits. It won't be noticeable at first, or even that quickly, but your shine will start to disappear. For the best results, facial treatments should be scheduled about a month apart. For a few hours each month, you can make sure that your skin looks radiant and youthful. If you go a month and a half or even 2 months without a facial, your skin won't look bad, but there will be a noticeable period in which you start to see the shine slip away. To keep the shine and avoid the noticeable fade, stick to a facial a month. Should I get an at-home facial or see a professional? It is going to cost you more money to see a professional, but it really is worth it. There are some great products out there that you can use at home, but nothing beats a professionally trained esthetician. They've dealt with people who have oily skin, dry skin, acne, scar tissue, and whatever else you can name affecting their dermal layer. This means that whatever you have going on, they know exactly how to treat it. This is important because oftentimes men don't actually know much about their skin. There is this idea that skin care is for women, as if men don't also have skin that needs to be taken care of. Seeing an esthetician can help teach you so much about your skin and how to properly care for it. If you are going to use an at-home facial product, then go with something well rated like M3's Charcoal Scrub. However, you should try to get out and see a professional before starting an at-home routine. For the best results, an at-home routine combined with a professional's care every couple of months is the best way to go if you can afford it. I was planning to shave. Should I get a facial before or after? While you can get a facial with a beard, you might not want to. If you're planning on shaving soon, then what's the point really? But if you shave, the pores of your face are going to be in rough shape. So, if you are going to shave, make it a day or two before you get the facial. If you show up with a freshly shaved face, you're going to experience some irritation. The facial won't be harmful or dangerous in any way, but it will be uncomfortable. Since you can get a facial with a beard, even a longer one, it is best to wait until after the facial to shave if you really have to. The skin will be soft and healthy, so it will be easy to glide your razor over it. Just remember to use a touch of moisturizer afterwards. My wedding/anniversary/big day is coming up and I want to look the best. When should I schedule a facial? While your first facial will leave you looking great, it's nowhere near as good as your skin can look. You're going to want to get a few facials prior to the big day. In fact, once you have the day planned, you should start scheduling monthly facials. By getting in a few treatments over a decent period of time, your skin will look much nicer. It's kind of the same as working out. You might see some initial muscle growth when you first start, but really great muscles come from routine maintenance. Your skin's no different. So start as early as you can. 6 months at minimum is a good rule of thumb to give, but not everybody has this much time. Since facials are a once-a-month treatment, you should try to start as many months before your big day as you can. Conclusion. Not only can you get a facial with a beard, but you should have done it by now. If you care about the health and appearance of your skin, you should get a facial once a month. There is this idea that facials are just for women, but this is just silly. Everyone, man or woman, should feel comfortable taking care of their skin. After all, there's a lot of it and it wears with age. If you're nervous about getting a facial, relax. The process is not just easy, it's relaxing. Women have known the relaxing secrets of the spa for decades. It's time you get out there and discover them for yourself.